Hello guys, so again today just coming up with a very small video. So Apple has finally released a stable version of iOS 14.6. So in this video we are just going to discuss about the new features that we got in this iOS 14.6. Basically not being a very big update, but not too many changes also, but still very important for those people who are having this Apple Card and the newly launched tracking device that is called AirTag. So especially important for those people, so please watch till the end. If you just like it, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more info about Apple products. So let's check it out. So first let's talk about its size. The size of this update varies with the cell phone to cell phone. Like in 11 Pro Max somebody got like 870 MB, like in my cell phone 12 Pro Max I got it as a 869 MB. So average size is around 870 MB. So I'm just being strongly recommending to you guys from the very beginning only that you have to update this iOS 14.6. very good update, and please update only on Wi-Fi. I'm being strongly recommending to please update only on the Wi-Fi. Do not use your mobile data for this, because if God forbids in between if something got stuck, then it could cause a little bit very small kind of bugs and all that maybe enter in your cell phone. So always use Wi-Fi whenever you are going to update any of the iOS update. So the first feature that we got in this iOS 14.6 is being related to Apple Card. So Apple Card is being till now it is only available in America. Only American people are being allowed to apply for the Apple Card. So Apple Card is basically a credit card of an Apple that you can buy, you can shop anything from the Apple Card, and you will be getting some kind of concessions on the Apple Card on purchasing of some Apple products. So basically in this update what they have given us, like earlier the Apple Card it's being limited to only one person. So now from the new feature of this iOS 14.6, you can share all of your details. You can share your Apple Card with the other 5 people, mainly in your family. If you just want to share your Apple Card with your family, you can easily do this after updating this iOS 14.6. There is a provision in this iOS 14.6 from the Apple Card that you can share all of your data, so you can track, you can put your limits, anything you can do with this newly update. So especially for the Apple Card people who are being using this Apple Card, I know that a lot of people are not being using this Apple Card because it's not being easily available only in America till now. But in the next month in WWDC June 2021, which is going to be held from 7th of June, there were rumors that Apple is trying to make it available to other countries also. So let's hope for the best. Like maybe in India also we will be getting soon from the next month from WWDC. So the second thing which we got in this iOS 14.6, it's been related to the AirTag. The AirTag, I think most of the people will be knowing about this now. Like in the last month in the Apple Spring Loaded event, Apple has launched its new tracking device called AirTag. So in AirTag we are having this one option that if you lose your AirTag, that in your cell phone you will be getting a one option that you can put it to lost mode. If you put it to lost mode, that anybody who's being able to find that, if that person is being tapping that AirTag on your in his cell phone basically, so it will give you that person will be getting your cell number. So basically what you have to do when you have to put it to lost mode, so in the lost mode you will be getting one feature that you can add your cell number in that. So in case of losing your AirTag, anybody who will be able to find that thing, so simply while tapping it with his cell phone, he will be easily able to find your cell number. Then he can make contact to you, then you can easily find your AirTag. But in this feature iOS 14.6 related to privacy also, that Apple has introduced a newly feature in this AirTag, that instead of cell number, if you don't want to share your cell number with anybody else, you can put your email address also. So you basically instead of cell number, you can easily put your email address. So in the same manner, if you lose something, if you lose your AirTag, anybody finds that, if he taps it on his cell phone, then instead of your cell number, he will be able to find your email address, and then after that from the email address he will be able to make contact to you. Then you can easily find your AirTag. So this is being the second feature that we got in this iOS 14.6. So basically, instead of your cell number, so basically what we can see that Apple is always being behind privacy only, so that is a very good thing. He never compromises with the privacy of the people, not like this Facebook and all. So this newly introduced, just if anybody doesn't want to share his cell numbers, so you can easily put your email address, and in that cell phone cell number also, whenever you are just putting your cell number in your lost mode, that if 10 letter cell number is there, only 5 letters will be shown to that people, but he can easily make the call to you. So very good feature in this related to AirTag. So the other thing which we got in this newly iOS 14.6, it's being in the accessibility. So everybody knows, I think, whenever we are restarting our cell phone, even if you are using a Face ID, then you have to put your passcode after restarting your cell phone. So only then it will start. It will not take Face ID after restarting your cell phone. So in this iOS 14.6, they have put a new feature in the accessibility. You can easily do it. That in accessibility, if you are restarting your cell phone, no? So after restarting, you don't have to put your passcode basically. So then instead of putting passcode, there will be a voice command. Means you can give a voice command and you can easily unlock your cell phone. So basically the newly thing what they put is that instead of passcode, you can give a voice command. That is in accessibility. I will show you also in my next video after updating that. And the other things in this newly updated iOS 14.6, Apple has fixes some of the bugs, like from the last update in iOS 14.5.1. After updating that update, a lot of people were being facing problem regarding unlocking their cell phone with the help of Apple Watch while wearing a mask. So some people were not being able to unlock their cell phones with the help of Apple Watch while wearing a mask. So this bug is already being fixed in this newly launched iOS 14.6. And second thing, some people got some black dotted lines in the reminder app sometimes, so that is also fixed. And the third thing, very important bug which I was also being facing, like your Bluetooth devices. So whenever using any Bluetooth device like your this AirPods and all, it would automatically disconnected and will be shifted to some other device. I was also being facing these things, like whenever I'm just using my AirPods with my MacBook Air, it would automatically disconnected and shifted to my iPhone and also, and vice versa. So this bug is also being fixed in this iOS 14.6. That's a really good thing for me also. And so basically these are the new features that we got in this newly iOS 14.6. I'm being strongly recommending, please update this iOS 14.6 and please update only on Wi-Fi. And you please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more info about the Apple products. So